Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. This is Anubhav, and in this video, we will be learning about React and Express.js. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you'll never miss any update from Simplilearn. So without further ado, let's begin and see what's in it for you. First, we'll get an idea about React and Express.js. After that, we will see what is React.js. Then, we'll see the features of React.js. Moving ahead, we will be learning about Express.js and its features. And in last, we will see how to connect client side to the server side. Every application consists of front-end, back-end, and the database together. They form full stack. And in this video, we will be talking about React and Express.js. React was created by Meta and it is used to make web applications responsive. Express.js is unopinionated and it is used to make APIs. Express is maintained by Node.js. Let's see what is React.js. React is a JavaScript library which is used to build mobile and web applications fast and interactive. It is an open source, reusable components-based front-end library of JavaScript. Basically, with the help of React, we can create a client-side application or user interface. It is a combination of HTML and JavaScript. Let's see the features of React.js. First, JSX. It is a syntax extension of JavaScript. With the help of React.js, we can use the extension to see how the UI should look like. Virtual Document Object Model, DOM. It defines how documents are accessed and manipulated in the web page. Performance. There are several ways to speed up your React application by using virtual DOM. One-way data binding. Information flows in one direction. React receives information through arguments and pass it by returning values. React goes beyond simple UI and has many extensions for complete application support, extended with Flux and Redux among others. Debugging. It is a small browser extension to make debugging easier and faster. Let's see what is Express.js. Express is a Node.js framework designed to build APIs, web applications, cross-platform mobile apps quickly and easily. It is very high performance, fast, lightweight, and unopinionated. Express.js is used as a server-side scripting language. Let's see the features of Express.js. First, fast server-side development. With the features of Node.js, Express saves a lot of time. Middleware. Middleware is a request handler that has access to the application's request response cycle. Routing. This refers to how an application's endpoint URLs respond to client requests. Templating. It provides templating engines to build dynamic content on the web pages by creating HTML templates on the server. Debugging. Express makes it easier as it identifies the exact part where bugs are. Now, we'll see how to connect client side to the server side. First, we need to create a folder. I have created a folder named React Express. Let's see. Go to your C file. Here, I have created React Express folder. Now, we will be using a text editor. In this video, I will be using Visual Studio Code. Let's open it. Then, we will add all the npm packages and create a React application called client. Open terminal, new terminal. Let's write some command. npx get React app client. Enter. This will take some time. Until then, just wait. Yes, so it's downloaded. Now, as you can see, the client folder has been created. with all the npm files. In this client folder, you will see all the npm files, node modules, JSON file also. Yeah. Now, we'll go to this folder, cd client. Now, to get this application running, type npm start. Enter. This command will start and compile this application. Now, it has opened a web page, localhost 3000. This is the first client-side application startup page. This will be now working as a client. Now, let's create a backend application. For that, first, clean this terminal. Let's open a new terminal. Type npx express generator folder name. Press enter. Okay. Now, this will take some time to install. Press yes. Why? As you can see, a API folder has been created. Now, we'll go to that API folder, cd API, enter. Now, we are in the API folder. Let's install all the packages, npm install, press enter. This will again download all the packages. So npm has installed all the packages required to run this. As you can see in the packages.json file, there are all the repositories and files that I used. Now, let's terminate this terminal. Now let's go to the client folder, cd client, press enter. Now we are in the client folder, npm this command will start and compile this application. Now we'll see the standard Express application that has got installed. We'll again go to the terminal, delete this terminal, create a new terminal. In this, we'll go to the API folder, npm start. This will start the terminal. Press enter. Now, we'll go to the Chrome, localhost 3000, refresh it. You will see the standard Express application that has got installed. With this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like and share it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.